Hi there! Welcome to the Explore English Learning channel. In today's lesson, we will learn about emotions and feelings.
Happy, sad, angry, scared, sleepy or tired, ill or sick, bored, confused, excited, love, shy, grateful or thankful, embarrassed, joy, to be joyful.
Thanks for joining. Remember to subscribe and continue learning English with me on the Explore English Learning channel.